Okay, welcome back. I can't remember which video this is, but we're rebuilding a 124 5-speed transmission out of a 124 Spider. And like I said, I apologize for the camera work. I didn't want to invest in a really good camera. This is just a handheld camera. And in this video, what I'm going to be doing is explaining what I'm going to be replacing because of the wear and tear on some of the components. Not the bearings, I already covered that in a different video. What I will be replacing is not first gear, which is in good shape. The springs and whatever synchros are in good shape. The sliders are in very good shape. The teeth definition, well, the dog teeth definitions are in good shape. What I will be replacing is this: second gear, and over here third gear. So what I've learned from reading, a heck of a lot of reading, watching videos, is that second and third gears get the most abuse in a transmission. So when you take a look at, or when I took a look at and inspect the dog teeth here, the point definition, there's some chips in somewhere in there, and I noticed that on shifting from first to second, once in a while I get a little bit of a stiff shift and a little bit of a crunch. I mean, it didn't mean anything at first, but I thought, well, I inspect this, what the heck? Once I got it apart, what the cost of the gears, replace it. And same with third gear, like I said, because they're the most abused gears or used gears within a transmission. Everything else is in great shape. All the other gears, lay shaft gears and all the gears and whatever, and three of the bearings are in very good condition. And the one that really needs to be replaced, like I said before, it was this front input shaft bearing, but I'm replacing four bearings nonetheless. What else has shown a lot of wear has been the shift fork. And if you take a look, let me just move that over a bit. If you take a look, you can see how shiny this surface here is. There's a lot of wear. This is, by the way, fifth and reverse shift fork. A lot of wear. It's about 1/8 of an inch deep, about 1/16 along this edge here. So it's been riding and wearing. So that's going to be replaced, as well as all the other shift forks. Because if you take a look at this is first and second. You can see the wear there, the shiny metal. And on this edge here, it's about almost 1/8 of an inch deep, not quite. So, you know, what the heck? Like I said, building a transmission, you don't want to revisit this next year. It's a lot of work to take it out. It's not as difficult as I thought, and I'm assuming that if I had the time, this job could be done overnight. So I could remove it one day, clean parts, inspect parts, rebuild the next day, and hopefully get it in the next day. So it's about a 2-day job, not 48 hours. I would assume it would take, so many hours to remove it and so many hours to rebuild it, inspect it, and then put it back in. But anyway, until the next video, I will start rebuilding, putting things together, and I will continue on. Thank you very much.